Okay, and that finishes the first panel of the V-neck and front panel section. And now I am ready to turn my work so that this side is on my right. So my completed V-neck section is here. And now I'm going to be counting from the outside edge of my front panel, or the armhole side. See here, this is where the armhole decrease is. And I'm going to count over the specified number of stitches. For size 10, it's 26, leaving 2 center stitches unworked that will become a part of the V-neck. I've already marked my 26th stitch so that I can join my yarn in it and work from the center out. So I'm going to do that now. All right, I'm starting with my slip knot on my hook, and I'm going to go into my marked stitch here and start with my front loop, back loop, alt single crochets across. So when I join yarn with a slip stitch, I make that slip stitch a part of the stitch, like so. And then I'll just weave that in or work over it. And back loop, and front loop. So you'll start with your front loop, back loop, alt single crochet across until you get to the 3 stitches at the end. Okay, I got to the last 3 stitches of my second sleeve. So now I am going to single crochet 2 of those together, the third and second. And then I'm going to back loop only into my first stitch. I'm going to go ahead and pull this yarn tail over, work over that as well. There we go. I'm ready to turn my work. Okay. So again, I am at the V-neck center, so I start with a front loop only. Just working over my tail here. And then I am going to single crochet these 2 together. And then back loop only. And I will continue to alt single crochet across the row and continue to follow the pattern in the same way we did the other V-neck side until we have reached our V-neck decrease, and we'll end with regular rows for those last few. And then our front panel will be complete and we'll be ready for seaming and sleeves next.